Hello, my name is Amaka and I'm a student doctor. So I'm one of the co-founders of the Vale project.
Hello, my name is Kendra. I am a student doctor and co-founder of the Vale project.
And we are working with communities to bridge the gap between communities and health services across Wales. Parents or carers often have questions about vaccinations for their children, and sometimes information found online or heard from other people can be incorrect or misleading.
In this video, we are going to look at some facts and provide some information that we hope will be helpful when you are making a decision about vaccinating your child. Vaccinations have been saving lives for generations across the world. Vaccines teach your body how to fight diseases and protect the people around you, as well as yourself.
Some of these diseases can be very serious, and so vaccines actually provide protection. You may not often see these diseases in your community, but that is because the vaccines are working to protect people against them. Although there is a schedule and certain times when vaccines should be given to your child and then throughout their lives, it is never too late to catch up, so just ask your GP practice.
There are some common misconceptions and misinformation that can be found online, passed down through generations or talked about amongst parents. So here we will outline some facts. Having more than one vaccine at a time is perfectly safe for your child. Each vaccine contains tiny amounts of safe ingredients and they will not overload the immune system. All vaccines undergo rigorous safety testing, and although they do contain a number of ingredients, these are not harmful. The MMR and nasal spray for flu vaccines contain tiny amounts of gelatin, which can be unacceptable to some. But gelatin-free alternatives are available. Just ask your nurse or doctor.
Childhood vaccinations are mainly given at your GP practice. You'll be invited for an appointment for your child. If it is unsuitable, get in touch with the practice to arrange a more suitable date. When you attend with your child for an appointment for their vaccination, you'll be greeted at the reception desk or book in at the screen-in reception.
When it is time for the appointment, the nurse will call you into a private clinic room and then they will explain the process and answer any questions you may have. The nurse is trained and skilled in making the experience as positive and calm for both the child and yourself as possible.
You will be given information to take away about the vaccine and any potential side effects. It is a good idea to speak to your child about vaccines before they go for their appointment.
If you would like some more information about vaccination, speak to your practice, health visitor or school nurse, or visit the Cardiff and Vale UHB website.